This guy is William C. He's a franchise owner again this year since 2019. Will took a brand new territory in South Carolina. Now, he's a very experienced guy. He's got over 10 years of irrigation experience. He could do anything, from lake pumps, service installs, installations, running machines. He could do drainage work. He's a very skilled mechanic. So again, for Will, April 1st to June 31st, for a brand new area where Pacific, hasn't been before, and this is kind of the effect of our advertising, guys, is he did over 250 service orders just in those 3 months there. So he did over 25 large renovations and over 40 new installations. And this is with all new customers, guys. So it's pretty awesome that, a guy with this much experience who didn't really have a business background can come into something like this and, visit over 300 homes in the first couple months of business. And, every area is going to vary, but really if you don't have the right advertising team behind you, it's hard to compete with the other companies. So we're not worried about any of that, and neither should you. It's really something we perfected over time. So here are just some, quick results.